Many package managers, NPM, PNPM, burn, but only one fits your workflow. Let's compare NPM versus PNPM and see which wins speed, disk, and reliability. Let's talk about the thing nobody talks enough about. Your machine is choking on duplicated node modules. PNPM takes a radical smarter approach. It uses a context-addressable global store, then links packages into each project using add links or same links, which means that a dependency is installed once on your entire system, then reused everywhere. No duplicates, no blot, no 5 gig node modules graveyards. NPM, on the other hand, still copies packages into each project, yet it tries to dedupe, but in real-world repos, duplicates still happen. Now, let's talk about speed, because nobody wants to be stuck in a terminal waiting for dependencies to crawl in. PNPM is simply fast. Why? Because it barely installs anything after the first time. Once a package exists in its global store, future installs are basically just linking files. That's why multiple project repo feels insanely quick, almost instant. NPM has improved a lot over the years, but it still does the heavy work. Resolving, downloading, unpacking, writing files into node modules every time, even with caching. If there is one thing you don't want in production build, it's surprises. Deterministic installs are the difference between it works on my machine and why it's staging on fire. PNPM nails determinism. Its log file PNPM-log is strict, explicit, and built to guarantee that every install across teammates, CI, and environment is identical. No hidden mutations, no random shuffling of dependencies, same input, same output every time. NPM has a log file too, package-log, but historically it's been more permissive. Different NPM versions and software dependency tree changes can lead to slightly different installs. It's gotten better, but it's still not as rigid or predictable as PNPM. This is where PNPM isn't better, it's in a completely new league. PNPM stores every package once in a global content-addressable store, then links it into projects using add link or symlinks. That means no duplicated dependencies, massive saving across multiple repos, cleaner, leaner storage footprint, faster CI caches because you aren't packing the same modules over and over. If you work with a lot of projects or a big monorepo, the difference is honestly wild. NPM, on the other hand, copies packages straight into each project node modules. Deduping helps a bit, but let's be real, NPM still ends up storing the same package many times across different projects. Your disk fill up and backup gets heavier. At the end of the day, both NPM and PNPM get the job done, but they are playing different games. NPM is this classic, stable, familiar, and everywhere by default. PNPM is the modern upgrade, faster install, smarter storage, stricter guarantee, and a workflow that actually keeps up with today's engineering's demand. If you are running multiple projects or scaling a monorepo or tired of tons of node modules, the choice is obvious. But do not forget to use what fits your team and stacks. Thank you.